Welcome back, my little chefs. I'm so glad to see you here again. You know how breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but sometimes it's also the most boring to make. Well, not anymore, because we're bringing to you an easy, cheesy French toast recipe. We are doing it Harry Potter style because this recipe is worthy of being in the Great Hall of Hogwarts. It's really easy. You just need a couple of ingredients. We got our wands ready to make some mixing, and we are ready to go. What about you? If you like this recipe, don't forget to like this video.
With the flick of a wand, now we'll mix it all.
One of the most magical things about this recipe is that you can go from a regular bread to a French toast in no time.
Just wet the bread and fry.
It's that simple and easy, you guys. With just a flick of a wand, you get an amazing and simple breakfast. I highly recommend that you eat this with a little bit of polyjuice potion. Nothing better than the smell of French toast and the sip of polyjuice potion in the morning. Just kidding, you know what polyjuice potion does to you. If you like this recipe, remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us with the little notifications bell on. You can also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. If you want to see more of these recipes, remember, all you gotta say is, cheese please, and we'll add a cheesy twist to it. Have a magical day!
Hi there, good to see you back. Ayo, 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 ayo.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow Easy Cheesy.
The cheesiest teamed recipes ever. Ayo, 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 ayo.